Hey, so this is gonna be a little tutorial on manual matching with FileBot. So here we have this post, and this guy has apparently trouble renaming this bunch of episodes from the Flintstones. So I'll just recreate the same files on my system. So this is already like the first way of doing manual matching, just using a text file, lining it up. Like you can just move it here, but in my case it doesn't matter. I'm just creating the kind of like test files. Okay, so let's see what this guy is encountering when he's using FileBot. So let's have a look. He's probably going to use English, edit order. Let's see what happens. Now obviously can't detect the series, but we can just enter that manually. The Flintstones. Okay, so this is not working at all. Now why could that be? Because, well, obviously the titles don't match at all, because this is English, this is German. But more than that, we have, if we look at the data that we get from the TVDB, we don't actually have absolute episode numbers. So if we don't have that, we basically can't make a match. So if you have time and you want to fix that, you can just go in here and enter the missing data. But with FileBot, there's different ways of doing the same thing. So first, the first thing you can always try is just matching the data. German data, so we use German preferences, and this is absolutely ordered data. So let's try the same. So if the data matches your files more closely, it'll match better naturally. A German title for Flintstones. Now this is gonna work better already because the titles match. But I guess for those episodes it's still not perfect. There's probably the German title doesn't quite match what's in the TVDB or whatever. So what can we do at this point? Well, that's easy. We just do it completely manually. So first we're gonna have a look here at the episodes of Flintstones. I'm gonna have checked that. And then I see this is probably season 6. So I'm just gonna specifically grab season 6, drag it over here, and now it's already aligned. Now this thing here, we can see the title is similar but not quite the same. That's why FileBot is like basically warning us that it might not match. But as we can see, this is actually these are all really good matches, because luckily everything is ordered alphabetically and everything just aligns nicely. And we rename. And here we have our nicely renamed files.